Isang mainit-init na balita from social media. 1MX Music Festival London kasada na. Ito po ang balita na bigay sa atin ng ABS-CBN News. Ito ay posted June 13, 2023 at 10:21 AM Philippine Time. Ang sabi sa balita, nagbabalik ang inaabangang 1MX Music Festival sa London sa bagong venue. Kompleto na rin ang lineup ng mga artistang magtatanghal sa ikalawang taon ng 1MX na handog ng ABS-CBN Global at The Filipino Channel. Noong isang taon, ginanap sa survey ang kauna-unahang music festival ng noong isang taon ginanap sa Surrey. Saan kaya banda yan? Ang kauna-unahang music festival ng The Filipino Channel sa Europa, kung saan tinutukan, kinagigiliwan at di malilimutan ang walang patid na rak-rakan. Ngayong taon naman, pinagsama-sama ang mga pambihirang pagtatanghal ng mga world-class artists hatid ng The Filipino Channel. Pangungunahan ito ng Queen of Hugot Songs, Moira de la Torre, ang sikat na bandang Ben and Ben, kasama rin sina Malaysian singer-songwriter na si Yuna. The sensational singer Johnny Orlando at Clara Rosa, habang hahato din ang tawag ng tanghalan Season 2 champion na si Janine Berdin at ang ama kabugera singer Maymay Entrata. Mas exciting din ang bagong venue, ang Dockyards London, kaya ngayon pa lang sabik na ang mga fans. We are from Cambridge and we are excited to watch One Music London. So join us and let's have some fun, sabi ni Niel Francis at Cherry May Sanchez. Tangkilikin po natin ang sariling atin. Magkikita-kita po tayo kasama ni na Moira, Ben and Ben at iba pa, sabi ni Seng Kayabyab, taga Cambridge. Mapapanood ang live music festival sa July 8, 2023 na inaasahang dadayuhin ng mga Pilipino mula sa iba't ibang panig ng Europa. Ayun po, yan po ay balita na hatid sa inyo ng The ABS-CBN News. Siyempre kasama po ang delegates from UK. Ayan, o diba, United Kingdom. Kaya tumutok na daw po sa TFC News at sa TV Patrol para sa mga karagdagang detalye sa mga susunod na araw. So, ayan po. Ayan, kasama syempre, Maymay Entrata, live in Dockyards, London. Janine Berdin, live in London. A full concert experience daw ang ibibigay nila sa inyo. Johnny Orlando, live in London. Ayan. 3-time winner, Best Canadian Act, MTV Europe Music Awards. O diba? Wow! Grabe! Ayan, Ben and Ben at saka syempre ang soul, ang tawag nila, anong Queen of Hugot Songs. Ayan, si Moira de la Torre. So yan po ang official na ibinigay ng ABS-CBN na final lineup ng mga artistang pupunta sa Dockyards London on July 8 para pasayahin ang bawat pamilyang Pilipino na nandoon sa Europa. O diba? Sino ba daw ang excited? Naku, bago pa kayo maubusan ng mga tickets, kailangan bumili na po kayo sa KTX, hindi KTX yan guys. May binigay sila noon, hindi ko na lang maalala. Pero hanapin natin yan, ang link kung saan pwede tayong bumili ng tickets na nagkakahalaga ito ng £129 and £69 po yan mga kaibigan. So, sino na ba ang excited? Siyempre, ako sana, kaso lang malayo naman ako sa UK. So, sana ay makabili na ng ticket yung mga nandiyan sa UK para naman po ay matangkilik natin ang mga performers na galing pang world class daw yan ang kanilang galing. Yan po ay bibisitahin kayo on July 7, 2023. Sabi ni Cici, we are one. Ako lang to ha. Gusto ko makita collab with Meme Vice Ganda or di kaya kay Maymay Entrata. Pasabog kung pasabog ito, feeling ko. Ayun kasi. Dara's HQ. If there will be a collab artist on Sandara's album, who are the artists you'd want to see in the album? Use the tags. Ayun. Sitong si Dara. Pero ang gusto nilang makakollab ni Sarah Sandara Park, I see either Rampadora Queen, Vice Ganda, or ang Ama Kabugera Queen, Meridel Maymay Entrata. At sana po ay, ayun, mangyari ang ating mga wish na yan. My Fabulous World, 2000 singer Victoria scores her first top 10 and number 1 song. Maymay Entrata revives Victoria's dance hit from 1999, Pwede Ba? And promptly brings it to number 1 this week. Wow! This gives Victoria her very first number 1 and top 10 hits in the OPM Top 10 Countdown. The song tops my countdown this week, June 2, 2023. Yan po ay from My Fabulous World. Ala, grabe. And this post was like congratulating Victoria. Ayun, kasi nag-top 1 po, ay nasa first top 10 po ang Pwede Ba song ni Victoria na Pwede Ba. Of course, dahil yan ay nirevive nga daw ng isang Ama Kabugera Queen na si Maymay Entrata. And that Pwede Ba ay nasa number 1 this week. Galing. Galing naman yan. Thank you so much for sharing this information. Pero bago tayo magtapos sa ating update, guys, let's check kung narating ba natin ang target natin na 790,000 views ng Otto Dedma for today. Ay! 780. Ayan 779. 1,000 na lang, 1,000. 1,000 na lang at nako, papasok na siya sa 780,000 views. Kailan kaya ito maging 790 and kailan kaya ito maging 1 million, mga kaibigan? Pero patuloy lang po sa pag-play ng music na ito and let's see kung hanggang kailan natin mabuo ang 1 million na views na yan ng Otto Dedma song ni Meridel Maymay Entrata. Alexander Lexter Jules, yan po muna ang ating update, mga kaibigan. I will see you later for more. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, speaking fast. I can roast, I can gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior. You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last. Yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is this confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead of 6